Hi and welcome to the home of Invoq. Today we are making 3 types of hummus. For the classic hummus we are using chickpeas. Then we have one with red lentils and parsley. And then one with baked carrots. And for all of them we are using cumin, lemon, garlic, tahini, that's made of sesame, and olive oil. For the carrot hummus, if you use organic carrots like here, it's enough to just cut off the ends and bake them whole in the oven for 230 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they are very soft and very dark. Now our carrots are done. And yes, they are supposed to look like that. It's due to the caramelization. Carrots contain a lot of sugar, but it will add to the taste of the final product. And they should be so tender that you can squeeze them. That's what it looked like. And just for the decoration, there's a little hemp seeds. It's perfect for a little dip, or instead of a sauce for a vegetarian dish, for example. Enjoy. The lentils are very easily cooked, so it's the easiest and the quickest one. And we're going to cook it in the oven with full steam until they are very soft. It will take about 15 minutes. Now our lentils is perfectly mashed up. You can't really give them too long because it has to be blended. So now we are ready to mix it all. And to finish it up, a little lemon juice and some salt. Let's have a little taste. That's how it looks. Just have to cool down a little and then we can plate it up. And there you go. And for the chickpeas, they have to be soaked overnight. We already have done that and put them in the oven. And the cooking process is a little longer, so it takes a little under an hour. Now that the chickpeas are done and ready for mixing, we'll just add some oil and give it a go. This is how it looks, smooth and delicious. Some herbs. Enjoy.